Hi, my name is Jada and I'm going to be showing you the 2 ingredients that you need for slime. So first, you need this. You need this, any type of lotion, this one, and also I made this with this purple slime and Tide and glue. So it's really easy to make, and I'll be back on my channel. Please subscribe down below, and I'll be back with more videos. Bye.